Hello children. In the last class we learned about mangoes round the year. In this lesson we learned how the food was spoiled. And the next one, making a mamidi tandra, that means mango jelly. Okay. Now let's see textual questions. Okay. In page number 40, first one, why was sugar and jaggery mixed into the mango pulp and dried in the sun? Okay, the answer is sugar and jaggery were mixed into the mango pulp to give it a sweet taste, and then the mixture is dried in sun to make thick by removing all the water content. Okay, so why we are adding sugar and jaggery and why we have to expose it to sunlight? Okay, for sugar and jaggery it gives sweet taste, and when we expose it to sunlight means then here a sunlight removes the water content from the food item. Okay, so here the sun, when we remove the water content from the food item means what happened? It was last longer. We have to store it for longer. Okay ma. Next, second one. Why did Appa first choose the most ripe mangoes to be used for making the mamidi tandra? Okay, the answer is ripe mangoes contains more juice and less fibers. Hence, Appa first chose the most ripe mangoes to be used for making the mamidi tandra. Okay, so when we take unripe mangoes means from that we didn't get pulp, that means juice. Okay, ripe means muggina, pandina. Okay, that's why their father first chose ripe mangoes. Okay, next, what things are made in your house for ripe and unripe mangoes? Okay, following things are made from ripe and unripe mangoes in our house. What kind of things we have to do by using ripe and unripe mangoes? For ripe mangoes we have to make mango shake, that means mango juice. Okay, and also mango jelly, that is mamidi tandra. Okay, so unripe mangoes we have to use for pickles and chutney, and we have to use it in curries like dal and mango, pappu mavidikaya. We have to use it in curries also. Okay ma. Next one. Next, how did the brothers make the mamidi tandra? Write down step by step what they did for this. Okay, here we have to write the process of mamidi tandra in step by step. Okay, so first, brothers made the mamidi tandra by the following steps given below. How they are making? Okay, so first one, they bought a mat woven from the leaves of a palm tree and poles of casuarina tree. Okay, and a string made of coconut husk, and they bought some jaggery and sugar. Okay, first they bought what kind of things they have to need to prepare mango jelly. They go to market and they bought these things. Okay, next they made a high platform by using poles and mat in the backyard. Okay, they prepared platform. Okay, next then they took out the mango pulp into a large pot. From the ripe mangoes they took out mango pulp. Okay, next they strained the pulp through a fine muslin cloth to remove the fibers. What they did next? Next they have to remove the fibers from the pulp by using cloth. Okay ma. Next they added sugar and jaggery in equal amounts to the pulp and mixed thoroughly. Okay, How is the mango jelly? What kind of taste it is? Sweet or sour? It is sweet. How can we get sweet taste? By adding sugar and jaggery. They have to add both in equal amounts and mix it thoroughly. Okay. Next one. Then spread the pulp into a thin layer over the mat and left to dry in the sun. What they did next? When they mixed both, that means pulp and jaggery, and they have to spread it over the mat and expose it to sunlight. Okay, ma. In the evening, they cover the mat with a clean saree to avoid dust. Okay. Next, another layer of pulp prepared by same steps as given above, and it was spread over the previous day's layer. The next day they have to do like that. How they took out the pulp from the ripe mangoes and they strained the pulp by using muslin cloth to remove the fibers, and again they added sugar and jaggery to the pulp, and they have to spread the pulp in thin layer over the mat for the next day. Every day they have to do like that up to the jelly grew up to 4 centimeters. Okay. Okay, ma? Next. The whole process was repeated day after day until the layer grew 4 centimeters thick. Then after a few days, that means after 4 weeks, the layer was taken out and cut it into pieces. Okay, ma. First they bought the things from the market and they take out the pulp from the mangoes, and they have to remove the fibers from the pulp, and they add the sugar and jaggery to the pulp, and next they have to spread the pulp over the mat and expose it to sunlight. Okay, ma. This is the process of Mamidi Tandra. Okay, every day they have to do like that. Okay, ma. This is next, fifth one. Make a list of all the different types of pickles that you know about. Okay, different types of pickles are mango, amla, coriander, ginger, cauliflower, chilli and lemon. Okay, do you know these? Yes, by using mango, we have to different kind of pickles, avakaya, maagaya, next such kind of pickles. Amla means usirikaya, usiri pachadi. Okay, coriander means kottimira. Okay, ginger means allam, and you already know cauliflower, chilli, merapapandu. Okay, lemon, nimmakaya pachadi. Okay, you already know these pickles. Okay, we have to prepare pickles by using these items. Okay, next, page 41, find out and discuss. First one is there any kind of pickle made in your house? What kind of pickle is it? Who makes it? From whom did they learn to make the pickle? Okay, that means the answer is yes. Mango, lemon, amla, chilli and ginger pickles are made in my house. Okay, my mother makes these pickles. She learned from my grandmother. Who prepared in your house? Such kind of pickles was prepared in your house by your mother. Is it right or wrong? Yes, your mother prepared such kind of pickles. Okay, from her mother she learned the process of pickles. Okay, how to prepare these kind of pickles. Okay, ma. Next, second one, what all things are needed to make any one type of pickle in your house? How is the pickle made? Find out the recipe and write. Okay, so for this you have to write your own answer. What kind of pickles are prepared in your house? Ask your mother and write in your AHW. Okay, here I will give you some idea. Okay, the answer is following things are needed to make mango pickle. Okay, first raw mangoes, red chilli powder, mustard powder, turmeric powder, oil, salt, fenugreek seeds, garlic strings, etc. రా మ్యాంగోస్ అంటే పచ్చి మామిడికాయ, రెడ్ చిల్లీ పౌడర్ కారం, మస్టర్డ్ పౌడర్ ఆవపిండి, టర్మరిక్ పౌడర్ పసుపు, యూ ఆల్రెడీ నో, ఆయిల్ అండ్ సాల్ట్, ఫెనుగ్రీక్ సీడ్స్ మీన్స్ మెంతులు, గార్లిక్ స్ట్రీమ్స్ మీన్స్ వెల్లుల్లి రెమ్మలు. ఓకే, సో బై యూజింగ్ these things we have to prepare the pickle. Okay, first we have to clean the raw mangoes and cut into small pieces. Okay, it is sun dried for a day to remove moisture. Okay, so why we are exposing to sunlight? To remove moisture. What happened if we couldn't remove the moisture from the food item is then it was spoiled early. Okay, that's why so we have to sun dry for a day to remove moisture. Okay, so all the spices are mixed with raw mangoes. All the spices means what? Red chilli powder, mustard powder, turmeric powder, oil, salt, fenugreek seeds, garlic streams, all these. Okay, mix it with raw mangoes. Then the mixer is put in a glass jar. Okay ma, so this is the process of mango pickle. Okay ma, so you have, for this question you have to write your own answer. Ask your mother and write it. Okay ma, next one, how are these things made in your house? Okay, first one papad. Papad means appadam. Next one chutney. Okay, for idli, dosa, for that we need chutney. Okay, so here we have to write the process. And badiyan. Badiyan means vadiyalu. Charu, papu charu. For that we need badiyans. That means appadalu, vadiyalu. Okay, your mother also prepared all these in your house. Okay, first see the process of papad. So for this we have to soak urad dal for a night. Urad dal means minapappu. Urad means minapappu. Okay, so urad papad is made by grinding the urad dal and mix it with salt and other spices. Other spices means jeelakarra, pachimirchi, salt, so such kind. Okay ma, we have to mix it. And hidang is then made. Hidang means pindi. Okay, what happened? So when we add all these, then we have pindi. Appadal pindi antam kada, like that. Okay, this papad is rolled out from the tank. ఏం చేస్తున్నాం ఈ పిండిని? సో దాన్ని మనం రోలర్తో రోల్ చేస్తారు, అప్పడం కింద చేస్తారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ left in the sun for drying. So after rolling we have to dry it in the sun. Next, chutney. It is made from many things, but chutney of dhania and mirchi is very popular. Okay, so lots of coriander leaves and some green chilli are grind in a fine paste. Salt is added as per taste. It can also be preserved for some days by adding oil in it. Okay, what kind of chutney it is? Do you know this? Yes, Kottamira pachadi. Okay, so chutneys are made from many things. Groundnut, ginger, next chana. So we have to make by using so many things. Here I will give you one thing. What is that? So coriander leaves. Okay, coriander leaves and green chilies. Green chili means pachimirpakai. grind it to a fine paste. Okay, so then we have to add the salt. Okay, ma. And it can also be preserved for some days by adding oil in it. Okay, this is the process of chutney. Next, badiyan. Badiyan means badiyalu. Okay, so badiyan are also made from urad. Urad means minapap. Urad grains are soaked overnight in water and then grind into a coarse paste. Salt and spices are added as per taste. Spices means pachimirchi and jeelakara, that is jeera. Okay, we have to add to the paste. So then the small lumps are made on a cloth and left to dry in the sun. Okay, ma. This is the process of badiyan. Next, fourth one. It is a 2-day journey by train from Kolkata. If you were to go on this trip, what food items would you carry with you? How would you pack them? Make a list on the blackboard of all the packed food. What food would you eat first? Okay, when we go to long journey, then definitely we take some food items. Okay, so here the answer is I will carry those food items, means which do not get spoiled in 2 or 3 days. I will pack these things in dried containers or packets. Okay, why we are using dried containers means to avoid moisture. Okay, ma. Next, I will carry chapati, biscuits, fruits, dry fruits, such kind of food items. Okay, ma. First, I will eat chapati and fruits because these can spoil early. Okay, what kind of food items we have to take it, that is no problem. First we have to eat which one spoil early. We have to eat those items. Okay, ma. Next, in page number 41, what we have learned. The first question is, glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles. Why is this done? Do you remember what happened to the bread in the experiment? Okay, this is the first one. Now see the answer. The answer is yes, I remember the bread had got spoiled. Glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles, because if any moisture is left in the jars, fungus can be formed very easily and the pickles get spoiled. Okay, so we already did the experiment, that is activity, bread activity. First we have to take the bread slice and we have to sprinkle the water and left it for 4 to 5 days. Okay, after that we have to notice some black spots and bad smell. Okay, did you remember that one? Yes, the bread was spoiled. Okay, to avoid the spoilage, the glass jars or bottles we have to dry it in the sun before filling the pickles or any food items. Okay, so what happened? If we couldn't remove the moisture from the jars, means the food items will spoil early by the microorganisms. Okay, fungus, bacteria, virus, whatever it is. Okay, that's why we have to sun dry these before filling the pickles. Next, to eat mangoes. To eat mangoes round the year, we make different items like pickles, papad, chutney, chikki, etc. List some other foods with which we make different things, so what we can enjoy it throughout the year. Okay, by using mangoes we have to prepare so many kind of food items, chutneys, pickles, mango jellies, such kind of items. Here we have to write the other than these. Okay, so following are examples of food which can be enjoyed throughout the year. Okay, what kind of food items? So pickles are made from many things. What kind of pickles? Ginger, red chilli, next lemon, amla, such kind of pickles we have to enjoy throughout the year. Next, many vegetables like cauliflower are sun dried for later use. When we expose it to sun means here we have to remove the moisture from the cauliflower. Okay, next, potato and banana chips are made so that they can last longer. When we expose it to sunlight, here we have to remove the water content from the food items. Okay ma. Next, murabba is prepared from amla. Murabba means nalla pachadi. Okay, by using amla we have to prepare it. Okay, we have to enjoy these throughout the year. Next, peda means doodh peda is made from milk. That means by using milk we have to prepare some sweets. For example, kova. Okay, we have to enjoy these items throughout the year. Okay ma. So note down these questions in your CW and practice without seeing. Thank you.